Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, I will share with you paano ko ba nagagawa itong setup na ganito from this to this with just one light setup. So let's get right into our video. First is, i-discuss ko sa inyo ano ba yung mga gear or equipment na kailangan natin to achieve this kind of lighting para sa YouTube videos mo. Jeff, mahal ba sobra nung in-invest mo for this kind of lighting or setup? Actually, hindi naman ganong sobrang mahal kasi kung titignan nyo, may mga other brands ng lights na pwede nyong bilhin later on na mas mahal pa dito sa binili natin. So, I think this light that I have right now is the best buy or fit dun sa budget na pwede nyong ialat if you really want to be serious sa pagko-content creation dito sa YouTube or other social media platforms. So, first thing that we need is yung pinaka-main light natin or yung tinatawag nating Keylight. Yung Keylight kasi guys is yun yung mismong magi-illuminate dun sa subject mo. But kadalasan kapag meron kang one light setup and Keylight lang yung meron ka, nagkakaroon ka ng contrast dun sa muka ng subject mo. Depende kung saan mo ilalagay yung ilaw mo. So right now, my main Keylight, which is the YakePhoto 150 watt LED light, ay nasa 45-degree angle in front of me and it's illuminating my face. So this is what it looks like without any lights na naka-open dito sa studio natin. So Keylight lang. So there you go, this is the main output of our main Keylight sa ating camera. Kung mapapansin nyo, merong hard shadow dito sa side na to and it gives the Rembrandt feel na gusto ng lahat or yung cinematic feel na or moody feel na gusto ng mga YouTubers right now. But for me, gusto ko yung medyo hindi ganun ka-dark yung face and medyo well-lit yung environment ng ating video. I just want to add na tong YakePhoto 150 watt LED light natin ay merong Godox 120 centimeters na Octobox from Lazada. Doon ko siya nabili and nilagyan ko din siya ng honeycombed light modifier para mas softer yung makuha kong light sa kanya even though malapit siya sa mukha ko. Hindi ako magkakaroon ng sobrang hard shadow or sobrang hard light na output from this light. So, hindi rin naman to makakatayo without the light stand. So, kapag bumili kayo ng LED light nyo, kailangan nyo din ng light stand at least para naman mas komportable or hindi kayo mahirapan sa placement na kung saan nyo gusto ilagay yung light nyo. But for me, hindi pa doon natatapos. We will go to our second equipment na kailangan natin to achieve yung output na meron tayo kanina. So, lalagyan natin ngayon ng reflector. So, as you can see, one light lang yung ginagamit natin and pwede ka naman gumamit kung meron kang other light source pa or ring light as fill light. But for me, wala akong other light source ngayon. So, I will use just this reflector para magpantay ng konti yung shadow dito sa side na to. At yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako fan ng sobrang dark, moody dun sa muka, so I would soften it up with this reflector. So this reflector will serve as our fill light. So guys, meron na tayong Keylight which is nasa 45-degree angle natin and meron na din tayong reflector which is nandito 90 degrees sa mukha ko. So, dito tumatama yung light. So, after this one, optional na sa inyo kasi for me, okay na to, di ba? As cinematic, ganyan. Pwede nyo nang i-achieve yung gusto nyo i-achieve with this kind of setup. But, let's take it to another level. For me, gusto kong kulayan pa yung nasa likod ko para mas maging interesting and hindi sobrang dull. Kasi nga gusto ko yung medyo lighter pa rin at hindi sobrang moody. So, lalagyan natin ng mga practical lights sa likod. Which is, nilagyan ko ng color yellow sa side na to. And etong side na to is Philips Hue bulb yung gamit ko, which is pwede mong palitan yung kulay. So, kung makikita nyo dito, there you go. Yan, merong yellow and merong teal or orange and teal. Pwede nyo. So, medyo cinematic na din yung kulay natin. But because I use Philips Hue bulb, pwede kong palitan yung kulay nito from teal to warm or pwede natin gawing, sabihin natin sigurong Ganun yung combination nito eh. Violet, so yellow and violet. Yan, Lakers. Ganun. Sino mga Lakers fan dyan? And yon, recap lang. We have our main key light sa 45-degree angle in front of us. Then we have this reflector as fill light para ma-soften up yung shadow dito sa ating muka. Then we have our practical lights sa likod para mas maging interesting yung frame natin. So, let's go to our second layout. So guys, this is our second layout. Kung mapapansin nyo, kita yung ating screen from this side. Tapos nandito na yung ating teal color na lamp. Then makikita nyo, iniba ko yung position ng ating lamp dito, papunta dito para may contrast pa rin sa likod ng ating frame. But our key light right now is nasa 45-degree angle. In front of me pa rin, pero dito sa side na to na. And our reflector, which serves as our fill light, ay nandito na. So kung mapapansin nyo, cinematic pa rin yung lighting natin, but the practical light serves as parang spice or cherry on top natin dito sa frame natin para hindi ganong maging ka-boring and something to play with din dun sa frame natin. Yun, this is how I set up my YouTube video lighting using just a one light. So if you want or you're interested in getting this YakePhoto LED light, just visit Vision Marketing Facebook page or contact this number in our description box below. Guys, this video is not a sponsored video. Gusto ko lang sa inyo ituro na with this one light, 150 watt LED light, kaya nyo na ma-achieve yung ganitong cinematic look. So I hope na may natutunan kayo sa video na to na hindi kayo masyado makapag-spend ng too much ng light kasi guys, mind you, madali kung may budget, madaling bumili ng ilaw, but the space inside your home studio, which is yun yung minsan na hindi natitake into consideration. Kaya for me, kaya nag-work tong one light setup lang kasi hindi naman ganun kalakihan itong ating home studio. That's the reason why I'm just using this light and my reflector as my fill light para maging compact pa din yung ating setup. And syempre, hindi tayo ganun masyadong ma-stress. Kasi moving these things, guys, ay hindi ganun kadali kung makapansin nyo. Pause na ako. Sorry for that, guys, kasi wala tayong electric fan dito just to have that clear sounding audio. So, I'm using my LCM2 from CK Mova, Philippines. So if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to click the like and share button. And also, if you want to support this channel and me creating more videos in the future, click the Buy Me a Coffee link in our description box below. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, this is Geronimo. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.